Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, my name is Asana No. I'm a YouTuber based in Kaduna. So today we'll be making this dress for my friend. As you can see, I already folded the material into two layers. So I'll be cutting that part out. I proceeded to fold the material into four layers, as you can see. So I measured out my shoulder 8, my armhole 8, my bust divide by 4 plus 5 inches, my waist also divide by 4 plus 5 inches, also my hip divide by 4 plus 5 inches. Of course, I'm going to draw that out so I can cut it perfectly. After cutting this part, my camera stopped recording, so I'm here to tell you what I did. I measured 9 inches from the bust to the center front, then I just cut it straight down because the cutting is one side, not at the middle. So at this point, I've started sewing. So guys, just stay tuned. When I'm done sewing, I'll be showing you the final outcome.